John Wilson did not receive a fair trial. Case number 22-1138. United States Court of Appeals for the First Circuit. United States of America versus John Wilson. Brief of former United States attorneys as amici curiae, meaning friends of the court in support of defendant. Amici, friends, are 11 former United States attorneys who previously wielded the immense power afforded to the principal federal prosecutor in a particular judicial district. Geographically diverse and appointed by presidents of both major political parties. The Varsity Blues prosecutions had every element necessary to make headlines. Rich people. Celebrities. The seedy underbelly of the hyper-competitive college admissions process. Cheating on the SATs. Staged photos of fake athletic endeavors. It's already a Netflix special starring Matthew Modine. Operation Varsity Blues, the college admissions scandal. Defendant John Wilson gave over $1 million to Rick Singer's business and foundation in an effort to secure college admissions for his 3 children. The government did not allege that Wilson had, for example, engaged in any sort of academic fraud, arranged for Singer to create or use fake photos of his children to obtain their college admissions, or knowingly bribed individual college employees. Nevertheless, the government charged Wilson as if he were involved in the single overarching conspiracy with other parents. And because of that charging decision, the government was able to regale the jury with testimony about the sensational bad behavior of those other parents. Behavior that was generally more egregious and different in kind. This led to the not insubstantial risk that Wilson was convicted based on the wrongful conduct of other parents engaged in entirely separate conspiracies. This is not justice. Argument. John Wilson did not receive a fair trial. Under the guise of its single conspiracy theory, the government subjected Wilson to voluminous testimony relating to unconnected crimes in which he took no part. Because the government charged Wilson as if he engaged in a single conspiracy with other parents, the government was able to introduce evidence about the conduct of those other parents, including egregiously bad conduct in which Wilson was not even alleged to have engaged. Wilson could not have possibly received a fair trial under these circumstances. Our justice system is better than this, or it should be. All criminal defendants, Wilson included, deserve fair trials designed to produce just results. Though we hesitate to publicly criticize the charging decisions of another federal prosecutor, in this instance, we feel obligated to speak out to ensure that future criminal defendants are charged fairly and are tried fairly. This court should do the same. Conclusion. The court should vacate Wilson's convictions and remand for a new fair trial. May 2nd, 2022.